In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Gmail. Now, Gmail is typically set to automatically organize your emails by date, starting with the most recent. However, if you've ever adjusted your settings and noticed your emails aren't appearing in date order anymore, don't worry. It's a quick fix. First, let's navigate back to the default sorting option. Begin by opening your Gmail account. In the top right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll notice a gear icon. This is where the quick settings are housed. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. Once the menu appears, direct your attention to the section labeled Inbox Type. Here, you'll want to make sure Default is selected. By clicking this option, you're essentially resetting your inbox back to the original view, where your emails are displayed by date, with the most recent messages at the top. And just like that, you've restored Gmail's default date sorting setting. While that method is designed to get you back to square one, there are times when you might want a bit more precision in organizing your emails by date. Suppose you're looking for messages from a specific time frame, or you want to filter down to a set of dates. There's a feature just for that. All you need to do is head to the search bar at the top of your Gmail page. Once there, look for a small gray icon that resembles an arrow pointing downwards. That's your filter tool. Clicking this filter icon will open a more detailed search menu. Here, you're given a variety of options for narrowing down your email search. For date-specific sorting, focus on the Date Within section. This allows you to input criteria such as a specific date or even a date range. You can choose before or after to pinpoint exact periods you're interested in. Just enter the relevant dates that fit your needs and hit Search. With these refined parameters, Gmail will display only the emails that fit your date criteria. Understanding the default sorting by date, as well as how to refine your search using date filters, can significantly streamline how you interact with your inbox. Whether it's resetting the default view or digging into specific timeframes, these tools are designed to make managing emails more efficient. So next time, when hunting for that elusive email hidden somewhere in your inbox, remember these simple steps. They'll enhance your Gmail experience, saving you time and potential frustration. And there you have it, an easy and effective way to ensure your Gmail is organized by date, just the way you prefer. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this guide makes your email management a little bit smoother.